Today we will solve practice set 1.5 question number 2. Question number 2 is complete the following. One diagram is given. The diagram is a rectangle. Now four sides are given. 2x plus y plus 8. This is the first side. Second side is x plus 4. Third side is 4x minus y and fourth side is a 2y. The question is find the value of x and y and find my perimeter and area, means find the perimeter and area of rectangle. Here the two questions are, first question is a find the value of x and y and second question is a find the value of perimeter and area of rectangle. Now friend, we know when you find the value of perimeter and area, we need length and breadth of rectangle. Here the value of length is given in linear equation form. Can you see? This is the length of rectangle and the value of length is given in linear equation form, 2x plus y plus 8, not a actual value. Now here breadth is given 2y and x plus 4. So these are the linear equation form. Now how to solve this question? Let's see. Now here I have drawn the rectangle and we know the opposite side of rectangle are equal. Now this is the longer side and this is called the length and the length. So both the opposite sides become the equal, means the length is equal length, means 2x plus y plus 8 is equal 4x minus y. Similarly the next opposite side means it is a breadth is become equal, so 2y is equal x plus 4. Now how to solve this? First we will write here now length is given. What is the length? Here 2x plus y plus 8 is equal 4x minus y. Now see the diagram. This is the length and we know opposite sides of rectangle are equal, means this is first length is equal second length, means 2x plus y plus 8 is equal 4x minus y. सो यही मैंने यहाँ पे कर दिया. क्या किया? 2x plus y plus 8 बोथ दी लेंथ को इक्वल कर दिया, इज इक्वल 4x minus y. नाउ दिस लेंथ व्हाट आई विल डू, इसे मैं क्या करूँगा, एक सिंपल लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म बनाऊंगा. कैसे बनाऊंगा? सेम वेरिएबल को वन साइड कर दूंगा और नंबर को वन साइड. नाउ 2x एंड 4x दिस इज अ सेम वेरिएबल. सो 2x को क्या करूँगा, यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करूँगा, सो 4x माइनस 2 हो जाएगा. y प्लस 2x से प्लस 2x से, तो यहाँ पे माइनस 2x होगा. मैंने यहाँ पे 2y कर दिया था, सॉरी. नाउ फिर प्लस y को यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करूँगा तो माइनस y, और यहाँ पे भी माइनस y ऑलरेडी दिया था, और 8 अपने प्लेस पे रहेगा. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 4x minus 2x is a 2x, minus minus is plus, so here become the plus minus 2y. now उसको रीअरेंज कर देंगे. 2x minus 2y is equal 8. this is your first equation. clear? now take the breadth of rectangle here. breadth here, breadth is, if you see, breadth is a 2y and x plus 4. both are the opposite sides, so it becomes the equal. so here can I write this like x plus 4 is equal 2y. now arrange this expression in linear form. what will I do here? transfer this 2y on the left side, so it become x minus 2y, and plus 4 को ट्रांसफर करूँगा तो minus 4. okay, so this is a second linear equation and I will give the equation number 2. now we got the two equation here. 2x minus 2y is equal 8, x minus 2y is equal minus 4. now अपना first question क्या था? find the value of x and y. so these two equation I will solve by the elimination method. now see the coefficient here, 2x means the coefficient of x is a 2 and coefficient y is a 2, and here coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is a 2. Now here the coefficient of y are same, so I will remove the variable 2. So what I will do here, now observe here, minus 2y is given, minus 2y, both are the positive, but sorry, both are the negative and it become the positive. So we know the when the sign are the same it become the plus, अगर साइन सेम रहता है तो प्लस हो जाता है. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे दोनों साइन माइनस माइनस है, तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे हम उसे कैंसिल करने के लिए यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सब्ट्रैक्शन इसलिए करना पड़ेगा ताकि सब्ट्रैक्शन करने से सेकेंड साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. लेट्स सी हाउ टू सॉल्व बाय द सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ हियर वी राइट subtract equation second from first. So here we'll write 2x minus 2y is equal 8 and x minus 2y is equal minus 4. When we subtracting equation, the sign of the second equation will be changed, means plus x become the minus x, minus 2y become plus 2y, and minus 4 is become plus 4. Now 2x minus 1x is become the x, minus 2y plus 2y is cancelled, 8 plus 4 is become 12. So here the value of x is equal 12. Now find the value of y. What we will do here, I will put value, put x is equal 12 in equation 2. What is the equation number 2? X minus 2y is equal minus 4. Okay, now put the value 12 minus 2y is equal minus 4. now 12 को यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस 12 हो जाएगा. now minus 4 minus 12 is become plus, so it plus 6 minus 16. now minus minus both the side are cancelled, so 2y is 16. now transfer this to 16 divided by 2, so y is equal 8. so here what is the value of x? X is a 12 and y is equal 8. Okay, now the next question is find the perimeter and the area of rectangle. Here we know the length, take any length. You can take 2x plus y plus 8 or 4x minus y. Here I will take the 4x minus y. Now find the value of length. Here 4x minus y. What is the value of x? 12. And what is the value of y? Is 8. So multiply 4 into 12. 12 4 ja 48 minus 8, and 48 minus 8 is become 40. So here length are 40 unit. Now similarly we will find the breadth. Breadth is denoted by small letter b. We will take any breadth 2y or x plus 4. So here I will take the 2y. So what is the value of y? A. So 2 8 is 60. Now don't be confused कि मैंने दूसरा वैल्यू क्यों नहीं लिया ब्रेथ का. अगर आप दूसरा भी लेते जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल x plus 4. So we know what is the value of x? 12 and 12 plus 4 16. So कोई भी आपको एक वैल्यू सेलेक्ट करना है, या तो 2y लो या तो x plus 4. सिमिलरली लेंथ में लो या तो 2x plus y plus z या 4x minus y. Now we got here breadth 16 unit and we can find the value of value of perimeter and area of rectangle. Now we know what is the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth, and we know what is the length here 40 and here breadth is a 16. Multiply 40 plus 16 56 and multiply 56 into 12 we get 112 unit. Okay, now we will find the next question. Area of rectangle, we know length into breadth, and 40 multiply 60. Now how to multiply? In a simple way, first we multiply 16 4 ja, and we know 16 4 ja is a 64, and here left 1 0, so put here 1 0. So your answer is area of rectangle is a 640 square unit. Okay, so here we'll write our answer. First, perimeter of rectangle is equal 112 unit, and second, area of rectangle is 640 स्क्वायर. कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे आपको. पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई करना है. दोनों लेंथ को साथ में लेके एक लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म करना है. फिर इसके बाद एलिमिनेशन मेथड से एक्स एंड वाई फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फिर व्हेन वी गॉट द एक्स वाई, जब हमें एक्स एंड वाई मिल जाएगा तो उसी एक्स एंड वाई को वैल्यू को साइड में पुटअप करके लेंथ और ब्रेथ मिल जाएगा. और विद help of length and breadth we can find the perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle.